Hello, today we will guide you through how to export customers from QuickBooks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean Excel file containing your customer list from QuickBooks Online, ready to share with your team, back up, or use for analysis and marketing. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser. Once you're in your company file, head to the top right corner of the screen and locate the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the administrative tools you'll use for managing data. If your layout looks slightly different due to updates or permissions, still look for that gear icon at the top right. Click the Settings icon to open the full menu. Here, you'll see options related to your company, lists, tools, and data. From this menu, select Export Data. This takes you to a dedicated page for exporting information out of QuickBooks in a structured spreadsheet-friendly format. On the Export Data page, switch to the Lists section. QuickBooks groups exports into two main areas: reports and lists. Reports are formatted summaries, while lists contain the core records you maintain, such as your customers. For our purpose, we want the lists area so we can export your customer details in a straightforward table. Within lists, you'll see several items you could export, like vendors or chart of accounts. Turn off everything except customers. Leaving only customers enabled ensures your export file is focused and easy to use without extra tabs or columns you don't need. This also helps reduce cleanup time later and keeps the file size small. With only customers selected, choose Export to Excel. QuickBooks will generate an Excel file and your browser will begin the download. Depending on your browser settings, it may appear at the bottom of the window or go straight to your Downloads folder. The file typically includes helpful columns such as customer name, company, email, phone, billing address, and opening balance, giving you a comprehensive snapshot of your customer records in one place. That's all there is to it. You navigated to Settings, opened Export Data, selected Lists, kept only customers on, and exported to Excel. If you don't see the Export Data option, you may need appropriate access within your QuickBooks company file. And as a best practice, handle the exported customer data carefully and store it in a secure location. Thanks for following along. You now have a quick, reliable way to export your customers from QuickBooks whenever you need an up-to-date list.